What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another edition of Dad Does Videos. As you can see, we're outside standing in front of our lamppost where we are going to replace the cross arm right here. Just because it's gotten old, faded, and gross. This takes less than a minute to do. All right, as you can see here, this used to be black, but it's kind of gray right now. And you can see some of the wearing right here. These balls on the side, I believe, used to be either a silver or a gold. That color has worn away and they are gray right now. So first things first, all we want to do is remove one of the balls from the end of the cross arm. Typically one will either pull off or screw off, or maybe the other one will as well. So just find the one that you can remove. And on mine, it's this one, and you simply pull out. Here's the model that we are going to put in. It's a Harbor Breeze, all black. The balls as well on the ends. Pretty standard size, 16 inches across times 3/4 of an inch times 3/4 of an inch. And that size of the actual pole going through the holes is pretty standard. It doesn't matter what kind of brand or what model your lamppost might be. It's pretty typical, although probably a good idea just to measure before you go out and buy one. In fact, let's measure up and down and side to side. Just get a tape measure. As you can see, that is about 3/4 right there across, and then up and down right at about 3/4 as well. So if you want to just double check before you order and make sure your cross arm fits through that standard size, probably not a bad idea to do that. All right, so here is our new one. You can remove either side that you want. So you can see that side pops off, as does this side. So just pick a side, remove that ball, and just thread it through the hole in your pole. Put the ball on, and you're finished. Thanks for watching, everybody.